Right now, we're seeing an interesting spike in blockchain sentiment at plus 0.85, combined with a momentum of plus 0.23. This level of sentiment is significantly above our historical baseline, indicating a surge in positive engagement and interest. The presence of 19 semantic clusters suggests that conversations are diverse and nuanced, hinting at emerging trends. When you query our API, you receive a comprehensive analysis of sentiment, momentum, and thematic insights, allowing you to gauge the pulse of blockchain discussions in real time. Imagine integrating this data into your trading algorithm to capitalize on emerging trends before they become mainstream. With such elevated sentiment, you could fine-tune your strategies to align with the current wave of optimism. For detailed documentation, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this data to drive your next development project.